Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making some home-style fried noodles. Just look at that! Every strand coated with sauce, colorful veggies, that perfect wok aroma. Tell me this doesn't make you hungry already? Let's get our ingredients ready. I've got some shredded carrots, sliced onions, chunks of tomato, a few sausages, and some baby greens. But honestly, don't stress about exact ingredients. Use whatever veggies you have in the fridge. It's fried noodles, not rocket science. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and beat them up. And of course, here is our star, the noodles. A lot of people struggle with fried noodles turning out sticky or clumpy. Today, I will show you how to make them bouncy and separate, just like in the restaurant. Boil a wok of water, drop the noodles in, and cook them only about 70 to 80% down. Don't go all the way, just until they still have a little bite. Then scoop them out and rinse in cold water. This step makes them chewy and stops them from sticking together. Drain them completely. Then drizzle 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce to give the noodles some beautiful color. And then add 2 tablespoons of oil. This is the key to glossy, non-sticky noodles. Trust me, this trick never fails. Now, heat up your wok. Add a little bit of oil. Pour in the beaten eggs. And scramble them until set and fluffy. Then toss in some chopped green onions and minced garlic. That smell already makes me hungry. Add in all the veggies and sausage. And stir fry everything on high heat. Once it's all sizzling and slightly softened, season with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon MSG, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Give that a quick toss. Then pour in about 150 milliliters of water. Now, add your noodles back in. Use your spatula to lift and toss. You want the noodles to soak up all that flavor. Fry for another minute or 2 until everything comes together beautifully. Finally, drizzle in 1 tablespoon of vinegar for that light tang. If you like a little bit heat, add a tablespoon of chili oil. Highly recommended. And that's it. Our noodles are ready to plate up. Look at this. How good does that look? Golden noodles, colorful veggies, shiny sauce, pure comfort food, homemade, fresh, totally customizable, and super budget friendly. Honestly, this would cost at least $2 in restaurant in China, but making it at home, maybe 15 cents tops. Let me give it a try. Wow, so flavorful. The noodles are chewy and soaked with sauce. This is real home-style fried noodles. When you get home from work and don't know what to cook, just make this. It's quick, simple, and ridiculously tasty. You've got to try this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.